Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and subscribe for more content.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Z. I'm gonna show you how to import Fortnite skins in Blender very easy. Both files are available for download at the links in the description. First, create a folder and name it Exporter. Move the Fortnite Auto Exporter zip file into the Exporter folder. Right-click, and extract here. As I have already extracted the files, I am going to delete the zip file. Then, install this program that will allow you to extract the game files. As you can see here, I already have the program installed, so I'm going to cancel it. The exporter folder is in the desktop section. This part of the tutorial is personal. Go to File Explorer. Which storage you are going to choose to place the folder. In this case, I chose the hard drive. I already have the exporter folder, so I don't need it. Okay, now I'm going to delete the folder. You don't have to do this part, all my add-ons that I use for Blender are compressed in the zip file. Just create a new folder and extract the files into it. I will delete the unnecessary folder quickly. Good, back to the folder. I go to the folder that I had copied earlier. Right-click and extract here. Choose the latest version of the .py file, version 280. Right-click, and cut. Right-click, and paste. I don't need it. Okay. All the add-ons are ready to install in Blender. Remember, do not extract those zip files, that depends on the type of add-on you download. Now I am using Blender 2.92.0 version. I'm going to activate screencast, and you will be able to see the mouse and the keybinds that I press on screen. On the right side you can see a list of the add-ons that I installed. But I'm only going to show how to use these two, and how to install add-ons. Go in Edit. Preferences. Add-ons. Install. Here is the folder of the add-ons that I use. I recommend that you install all the add-ons, in case if you need them for a project that you are going to do later. Now I am going to show an example of installing an add-on. To find the add-on that you installed, you have to click on Community. Installed add-ons will appear unchecked, you have to activate them by marking the square. Delete this cube by pressing A, and delete. I will start using the Auto Exporter add-on. I'm going to find the folder called Exporter, that is on the hard drive, the one I created at the beginning of this video. Just click Accept. Then you have to look for the folder where Fortnite is installed. I also have it installed on my hard drive. If you don't know where the games are installed, you have to check in the Epic Games launcher. Here's the game folder. Fortnite game. Content. Packs. Accept. Check Auto AES, and PNG export. Here's the list of models that you can import: characters, emotes, backpacks, gliders, pickaxes, weapons, and meshes. I'm going to choose character. Character are the Fortnite skins of the game. The skin I'm going to choose is called Sledge. It is currently one of the rarest skins in the game. Sledge hasn't been back at the item shop in 2 years. Once you have typed the name of the skin, click on Launch Exporter. And don't change these settings. This will take seconds, that depends on your computer. The skin has 2 styles, I will choose the default. If the numbers of objects are the same, that means the process is correct. If it didn't work, click Launch Exporter again. You may be wondering, where is the model? Don't worry, I'll tell you how to find it. Click on PSK and PSA addon. Check these 3 options to avoid an error while importing the model. Import PSK. Find the exporter folder. Model export. Game. Here's all the folders that I exported from the game. Sometimes when you export the files, they may appear in a different folder. Click on Characters folder. Fortress character folders are from Fortnite Save the World. Click on Player. The good thing about it is that the Fortnite skins that are divided, this makes more easier to search. Large characters are like the skin called Ripley and others. I'm going to click Medium. Some skins have the files together, that is, the head, the body, and the textures. Here you just have to look for the code name of the skin you are looking for. Padded armor, sounds like the skin Sledge to me, that is the folder I was looking for. Click on Meshes. Click on PSK file, and import PSK. As you can see here, I imported the body model of the skin. I will go back in the folder again to import the head model. Okay, the head model is fully imported. Now the most important part. To put the textures, you have to select the model or mesh first. Remember, don't select the bones of the model or mesh. Click on Material Properties. This model has 2 materials to be able to put the texture. Some skins have more than 2 materials, you have to be careful not to erase them. I can delete one, but I'm going to leave it the same. I recommend deactivating the shadows. Once you've turned off the shadows, select Texture. This process is the same. I will tell you a brief explanation. Not all the skins work the same in putting textures. Some skins have 2 more textures on the body part. You always have to verify the names of the materials and the quantity. So you can easily to identify the textures and the models or meshes, to place the textures. The textures that are yellow and purple are wrong, do not select them. There they are, those are the textures that are correct to select. First I am going to choose for the body model. Just select the correct texture for the body model. Don't panic, the textures are already set on the body model. As you can see, the materials already have the textures. I'm going to show you how to see the textures of the model or mesh. Click on Viewport Shading. Good, and lastly, I'm going to put the texture on the head model. Select the head. Make sure the model is selected in one of the materials. Turn off the shadows again. Here is the texture of the head. That's it. Now I'm going to save the project, to continue adding what is missing from the skin. This model is not finished yet. You need to fix the bones, the face of the skin, and improve the quality. There are many tutorials that you can look for, that will help you to fix the bones, and the face of the skin. Later I will bring my own versions of the tutorials, and this video will have a second part. Since I'm working, I don't have time to upload videos, so, I'm not sure when I'm going to upload the second part. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, activate the notification bell, comment, and share. See ya next time.